cannot really tell that Met Gala makeup looks were so interesting this year, but I really like Sabrina's makeup, so today we're recreating this look. And while I'm working on my face, I want to say hi, my name is Rina, and this channel is all about love to yourself, becoming a better person, and of course, creating beauty from the inside. I'm not gonna really stop on face makeup because all you need to know that Sabrina is really a blush girl. So main thing here is eye makeup. I started with brightening my eye corners with this some sort of eye corner shadow stick from Glam and blending it with brush. I'm using a really light shadow all over my eyelid and getting it a little bit to outside. I'd say take eyeshadow that is a little bit lighter than your natural skin color. If you're darker than me, use lighter shadow in the eye corners, but if you're the same as me, you can just stay with the same color. With beige color, I'm some sort of building crease and getting from the outer corner to the middle of here. You need really sharp pencil, and I'd say better use in wood because pencils in wood are easier to blend, and if you're a beginner it would be so easier for you to blend it and not to make something you cannot really correct. But wood pencils must be layered up because otherwise you risk to smudge it. So as you can see, I build up a line and then I'm covering everything with eyeshadow and blending it a little bit higher. To build this line correctly, you really want to look yourself right into the eyes and build this line a little bit over your cut crease. So we are moving to eyeliner, and here I also want you to look yourself right into the eyes and build this line. I'm making it firstly with pencil and then I'm moving to liquid eyeliner. I woke up with puffy face, so it was really much harder. Now we are moving to lower line and I'm just using this beautiful brown color. And for this Sabrina look, I would use white eye pencil, but I think like beige works really better because it looks a little bit more natural. And if you have some sort of red capillaries in your eye, it will look worse. As we already know, Sabrina is really a blush girl, so second layer of blushes here, but now I'm using Breath Blush from Judy Doll, and then we are creating this beautiful shining from highlighter. Can't really tell you how I love this Judy Doll highlighter and contour palette, so one of the best ones. I know that lips look a little bit different, but let me tell you, I'm also a human and I wanted to make it a little bit more of me. And by the way, I'm sharing with you one of my favorite makeup hacks. And yeah, makeup has no rules, guys. So here it is. My makeup is ready. Let me know if you like this video and remember that you're already beautiful.